So now, what we need to do is we need to find this, or not find it, but we need to take this, and they can again do different things. They can ask you to find, X. They can ask you to find, the sum. They can ask you to do whatever they want. So it's just going to depend on what they ask as to what you need to do. Now, I'm going to give you the theorem, and then we're going to go from there as to what I need you to do on this one. This one, what you're going to do on here is you're going to do 360 divided by the number of sides. Now, why am I using 360?
Because they all add up to 360.
Okay, the reason is this, because the sum of an exterior, let me rephrase, the sum of the exterior of a convex polygon is 360. So let me put that on here. I'm going to put it over here. The sum of, what did I say, the exterior of a convex polygon is 360 degrees. So what they're telling me is that I already know it's going to equal 360. As long as it is a convex polygon. What do they mean by convex? Remember, we did concave and convex. What was convex? Anybody remember? Remember, concave is the one where you had, at any point of your shape, remember it points in? So as long as there's nothing on your shape that points to the inside, then you're okay. So as long as your entire shape is pointing to the outside, that's a convex. So we are dealing with a convex here. So we have a convex polygon, so it's always going to add up to equal 360. So I know every single time, as long as it is pointing to the outside, it's always going to equal 360. So they're telling me that all I have to do is use that form. So that's what we're fixing to do. So what I need to do is I need to find x. Let's find x. So if I want to find x, what do I need to do? Well, I need to do basically what we've already done before. I need to take all of these, I need to add them together, but I already know what it's going to be set equal to. It's going to be set equal to what? 360. Because I know every convex polygon is equal to 360. So go ahead and do that. So say, I don't care where you start again, I'm going to start at the top. So I'm going to say 2x minus 5 plus 5x plus 2x plus 6x minus 5 plus 3x plus 10. So I've taken every piece. So I've got my 5 pieces. And I'm going to set it equal to 360. Because I know it's already equal to 360. So then, just like before, all I've got to do is combine like terms, solve for x. So, if I take 2x plus 5x plus 2x plus 6x plus 3x, combine all my x's, how many x's am I going to have? 18x. Now, if I take negative 5 minus 5 plus 10, what am I going to have? 0. All those regular numbers are going to cancel each other out. So it's just going to be 18x equals 360. So now, you divide. So then x is going to equal 20. So I could plug that back in like I did before and find any of them if I wanted to. Now, what if I told you that, for example, you had, let's say you have a 7-sided.
Teacher, just a couple announcements before we go to second block. Remember, students, wear your mask. Masks have to be worn correctly. Also, students, remember there are no bathroom breaks between class changes. No one should be in the bathroom between class changes. Also, students, if you've completed the orange health form, turn it into the front office or to the nurse's office. The orange health form, if you've completed it, turn it into the front office or the nurse's office. Thank you.
Okay, real quick, what if I said you had a 7-sided figure and I want to find one angle? But I don't draw a picture, I don't give you any of this information, this is all I give you.
One more quick announcement. Tomorrow is a pink out game at the game versus Vestavia tomorrow night at home. It is pink out tomorrow night.
So, what would you do?
Is it the 360 divided by 9?
It's this one. Just simply use this. That's going to tell you what one angle is going to be. So if they don't give you any information, they don't give you a picture, they don't tell you that it's, 7x minus 3, you simply use the theorem that I gave you. So you would do the 360 divided by 7, and it would tell you what that one angle would be. So, if I did 360 divided by 7, apparently we're going to get a decimal, right? So, in this case, I'm just going to put it as 51.4 degrees. So, if this is all they give you, okay, then all you need to do is plug it into that exterior angle theorem, and then you'll have your one angle. But if they actually give you a picture, you can plug it back in, then you should be able to do that. So, any questions? Okay, then